Hi everyone, hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to Bitcoin. We've got a CoinsKid group. So I've been telling you for a very long time, get involved in Discord, get involved in the premium, come to CoinsKid.com. In the bearish tracking coins just there are lots and lots of opportunities, down this list. Now I was looking at this list a few weeks ago and I did post some beautiful setups in the Discord for the CoinsKid crew that I got off this list, because the trouble is there's so many coins, it's really difficult to pinpoint opportunity. This is why, without scouring the charts and listening to this person say that or that person say this, I've just, relied the data, and I built this list for the CoinsKid crew, and I did pick one off it a few weeks ago, and I'll show you exactly what that coin's done. Looking at Discord then, I did make this post on the 2nd of March, and again, please get into Discord. It's an amazing community, it is an amazing place, a sanctuary for people. We do have live streams. Surfing, one of our analysts right here, an amazing guy, he posts his setups as well. He goes through live streams, taking requests every single day. I will try and join him, but obviously I'm really busy at the moment, but I will try and get involved in that. But we've got other analysts, Craig, Dom, we've got some amazing people in there posting content on a daily basis. So this particular coin, Stream Coin, STRM is the ticker, it broke down in September 2023 and has not yet come up for the God Candle backtest. So this is what I look for. For example, in Bitcoin, I was bullish because I was looking at the God Candle backtest at around about 62k, and it came up to that eventual target and tapped it basically. So these are things that we look for, the clues in the charts. And again, on the way up, we create God Candle backtests on the way up. So there is one at 35k, there is equally one at 12k. So that might be the bear market target, 12k. But we'll go through that in the future in time. And I know people won't think a bear market will come and things like that, but I've been looking at this set up for a very long time that I think we're in the blow off top phase of this cycle, and a bear market will actually come. But again, let's just have fun, let's ride these up waves and just make money on the up, and then we'll look to make money on the way down and sell at the right time as well, using data, not emotion. So this is just basically, I created the section on CoinsKid.com, the bearish coins, the coins that are underwater offering opportunity. So all you do is go down the list. I tend to look at every day because there's coins that come in and out of the list. Look at every day, and I look for anything in the charts that tells us God Candle backtest. So look at that, beautiful support, broke down like this, come back up, boom, slowly but surely bottoming out. I was looking at some kind of big breakout to follow on with the market. So like I've always said to you, in this crypto market, the opportunities are in the small caps, the low caps, the forgotten about coins, coins that have been around the block, possibly for a retracement. There's always opportunity. But again, even new coins in the hype of the cycle basically. So we know that in this particular cycle, the hype is around AI. So you should be targeting AI coins. And this is something I've been doing for a very long time. We looked at an opportunity last year on FET. I'm looking at other opportunities, AI, which I've posted in the Discord right there for the CoinsKid crew. But I think going forward, we've just got to rely on the data. So I will show you the data that I'm relying on today for Bitcoin. But at the minute, we're just riding the waves and making a lot of money against our mentality. So with this, all I ever do is target God Candle backtests on the up, on the down. For example, if you take a look at this bottom here, we came up like this, bolted into the resistance of the ribbon, come all the way back down. We was looking for the high-low structure. We lost this, and eventually we come all the way down, making a high-low. But where did we find support? If you take a look at that resistance point just there, what did we do? We melted through that support, resistance, in a God Candle backtest. So eventually, slowly but surely, we found support on the God Candle backtest before bolting basically. So where's the target? So really simple, support that was lost way back there. So that's the target. From this point here, this was a buy with the green line as a stop, and boom, 364%. So that's absolutely bolted. It's not quite got there yet, but that is my target going forward. So STRM, never even heard of the coin. If it wasn't for the CoinsKid list that I created for yourselves, then I would never even looked at this coin. So let me dive into that particular chart right now and show you what's going on with STRM. So taking a quick look at this chart before I do dive into the Bitcoin data, STRM. So that's my initial target. It might not get there overnight, but so far so good. We've bolted off this support, so possibly some kind of 1, 2, big 3, look for a 4, 5. So we should get there in 5 waves. Now a buyback zone on this particular coin, if we do go through some kind of big correction here, would be here. Now why there? Because we've got resistance there, resistance there. So we ran up, created this structure of a lovely little rounded bottom, possibly Adam and Eve bottom. Look at that, broke the resistance, and we've not backtested at support. So that's on my radar, the yellow line basically at 0.004012, little buyback zone for a potential run to my target eventually. If we get to my target anytime soon, I would definitely lock in some profit. But if we do start to drift back like this in a wave 4, so possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 5th wave to that target, then I'll be looking for a buyback at 0.00412. So this is basically our trade. This is what I look for in the charts. God Candle breakdowns. Go to CoinsKid.com, go to the bear list, click on the chart, click on the ticker, load the chart, look for the God Candles above to the left, and they're your targets. and obviously with the ribbon as well. If we start to get back above the ribbon, you know, we're starting to turn a corner here. So with this ribbon, you can clearly see it's gone red, dropped like a stone, and right now it's looking to go green. From green, look at that, we've got the red transition in the yellow, a little golden cross, and right now we're looking to stay green and get our ass up to that primary target. But it will do it in waveforms, okay? So like I've always said to you, buy big green candles, you're going to get big red dildos. You don't buy into these big green candles, you're going to get shafted. You're going to buy high and sell low, because this is what the market does to you, okay? So they're my targets going forward. I'll keep you updated as best I can in Discord for this particular project. Let's dive into the Bitcoin data right now and see what we can see, okay? So looking at the CKR, then currently floating at 72. We've got the EMA at 48, so that's pushing up quite a bit right now. Pi cycle at 67, retail at 49, so the retail's beginning to show up. I think the other day that was around about 35 when we last looked at that, so it's beginning to have a little pickup right there. I'm looking for this to get overheated, to be honest with you, 100, because I think that's the top of the run. This gets to 100, that gets to 100, the CKR gets to 100. All this across the board is maxed out basically, and I think that that's just a really good position to say, okay, let's walk away from Bitcoin right now, okay, and just rely on the data, not the emotion, or you know, another move to the upside or whatever. We're just in a position to say, well, wait a minute, we're really overheated, let's just walk away from this market, okay, and just see what happens. So the data, the retail, the only thing about the retail is it is a lagging indicator in my opinion. So I think the top will be in before retail hits 100, so I'll keep an eye on that going forward as well. So that's basically CKR. You can access this indicator on CoinsKid.com for free, okay. Let's dive into the Bitcoin chart and see what we can see. So looking at Bitcoin doing incredibly well. I remember relaying way back here, you know, once we've got the close above this ribbon, and equally, you know, breaking out of this trend line. Look at that. I did relay to you that this is a falling wedge. We'll break out back to see you later. We'll come up to this point of contact and this point of contact, and, you know, we'll start to go vertical here. So that's exactly what we're doing. So my primary count at the moment is a 1, flat 2, 3. And we're in a 3, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. We're looking for a big macro 5 waves there. We don't necessarily see it just yet for Bitcoin again. And once we do create, you know, complete that big 5 waves, then I'll get bearish on Bitcoin. Until that day comes, I'm just respecting the data. We've got a beautiful support there, support there, support there. So we've got this kind of parabolic curve on the go here for Bitcoin at the moment, haven't we, in this vertical. So again, you know, just like confidence of the fact that we're coming in and we've got a big macro correction at that point will be once we take out this green dotted line, okay, we're losing the parabolic stage here, just like we did here for Bitcoin, okay. From here, we'll start to go vertical, parabolic, break down below, see you later, you come in for your big crash and correction. So until that day comes, we've just got to respect we're going vertical. So it's really difficult to target exact targets. Yeah, you're going to roll there, you're going to roll in, so on and so forth. You know, we see loads of numbers plucked out the sky, don't we? But I do tend to look for Fibonacci. So from the bottom to the top, I think that that's your true top. I've gone through this with you so many times. I think this is a true top of an impulsive move. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C. It's an irregular correction, and right now it's your blow off top of a cycle. So I'm looking at fibs. So basically we've got the 1.272 at 94k, we've got the 1414 111k, and we've got the 1618 at 152k, and obviously we could go beyond that. But what I'm looking for right now is just to break down below this curvature, this parabolic line, okay. If we get up here within this time frame, this yellow line, this vertical yellow line, I've gone through as to why I think that that is the target within that timeline as well, because of something we're doing in the previous cycle. This is my expected blow off top right now, end by July of this year. If we get up there and we start to break down below that at that time as well, then yeah, that's massive confidence of getting out of Bitcoin before, you know, the indicators tell us to do so basically. So I'll keep you updated as best I can, but so far so good. I think one of the earliest warning shots equally as well, if we start to break down below the daily CoinsKid ribbon, we almost lost it just there. Look at that, the confidence of this ribbon, how beautiful it is, okay, that I've created for yourselves. Held its support, lovely, look at that, boom, and we're bolting ever since. So I think, you know, we'll sort of look at that breakdown below that CoinsKid ribbon right there as another confidence in factor to the fact that, you know, get the hell out of Bitcoin. So in the standard update, so far so good. We're doing really, really well here, and I think there's lots of opportunity, and I'll find them opportunities and post them in the Discord for you right there. Thank you for support. Thank you for tuning in. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.